Tonight on 30th June, which was the last date of filing of February 20 GSTR 3B, the government has provided major relief regarding late fees to the taxpayers through notification number 57/2020 Central Tax dated 30th June 2020. This notification amends the previous notification number 52/2020 dated 24 June 20, which was also about late fees relaxation in filing of GSTR 3B. While this notification, two proviso after the third proviso table in notification number 52 has been inserted, which says that even if the deadlines specified in the previous notification are missed, but if the return for the tax period of Feb 20 to July 20 are filed up to 30th September 2020, then the late fees relaxation which was provided earlier shall still be applicable. It shall be applicable in reduced form. It means that if returns are filed as per deadlines mentioned in notification number 52, then there would be no late fees at all. But then if these deadlines are missed and returns are filed up to 30th September 2020, then reduced late fees of Rs 500 per return shall be charged for returns that have tax liability, and for nil returns there would still be no late fees. So now let's have a look at the impact of today's notification number 57/2020. Now the revised GSTR 3B late fees table looks something like this. Whether turnover in the preceding year is up to Rs 5 crores or more than 5 crore. Applicable for all the states, whether the state falling in Group A or Group B. If GSTR 3B for the tax period of February 20, March, April, May, June and July 2020 is filed up to 30th September 2020, then the late fee shall be, for nil return there shall be no late fees, and in respect of returns with tax liability, late fees has been kept to Rs 500 per return. This was a big breather from the government for all the taxpayers, whether small or big, for the returns of tax period from February 20 to July 2020. Don't miss these revised deadlines. So this is from the GST desk of Tax Pyramid. And so that you don't miss the GST and other tax updates, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel Tax Pyramid. For regular tax updates, you can also visit www.gstsiteindia.com. Thank you.